get what I want, I get what I need. Every single damn minute, after my dream, and I get everything that I damn well please. I don't give a damn if you all listening to me, cause I run it. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really on it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promise, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest. Cause I promise you that I'm just getting started, and I promise you that my skills will get sharpened. So I'ma get charted, can't be retarded. Nah, I'm the one that get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it. Yeah, bitch, you got me fucked up. I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup. We got to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud. Sounds like we're sold out in front of a whole crowd. We lose control now. Y'all take this shit too personally. Everybody got a different version of me. Everybody gotta be learning from me. Everybody wanna be working with me, and I feel like there's an urgency. An urgency to find out what you wanna be. But I'm just changing our minds constantly, so stop and breathe. Where do you wanna be? Not bad. So I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop me. I'm cautious, cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. You're an option. So I'd be cautious. I hope that you're watching. Don't try to stop this. Walk until I'm nauseous. Cause I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching, find the true passion and get to work. And better take action, you ended up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better grab yourself a sack and tell the world that you suck on that. Don't come back, pack your bags. You take a trip and don't relax. You hit the switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't hold back. Everybody wake up. It's time to wake up with the life you made up. It's time to trade up. Live the life you want now. Don't doubt, I could give a fuck how. Just figure it out. Wake up, man, this life is a blur. Everyone's got an opinion, so which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur.